वाह।
noticed how graceful these women are, in that production?
यस यस, दिस वाज द मुगले आजम की प्रोडक्शन जो न्यूयॉर्क में आई थी।
And you saw it somewhere.
Yes, we saw it here. It was beautifully done. Well exceeded our expectations. We talked about it when we were doing that show on 4 stars,
Yeah.
and we included
तो
that.
लास्ट वीक कैंसिल कर दिया
भाई
उस
बुखार लोगों को चढ़ गया था क्रिकेट का।
तो क्रिकेट देखी तूने?
मेरे औकात नहीं है क्रिकेट देखने की, मगर हाउ कैन
You
यू
you
नॉट
didn't
वॉच
you
इट?
didn't watch the bloody final? तो कम्युनिस्ट है।
लाल कमीज पहन के घूम रहा हूँ, कम्युनिस्ट ही होऊंगा और
देखो
क्या।
लाल कमीज पहन तू देखा नहीं है तुझे? यू शुडंट से इट इन पब्लिक, तुझे अरेस्ट हो जाएगा तू।
दैट्स ट्रू। इंडियन कम्युनिटी के अंदर, यू नो,
तू इंडिया
मैं बोल
इंडिया
देता हूँ
जाएंगे ना तो
कि
एयरपोर्ट पे तुझे पकड़ के ले जाएंगे।
भाई
देखा नहीं?
आई कैन फेक इट, आई कैन फेक इट। मुझे इतना पता है कि somebody made a brilliant catch, दैट इज गुड इनफ फॉर पोलाइट सोसाइटी।
अरे कैच की तू उसको यूट्यूब पे जाके
हाँ
से लास्ट 5 ओवर्स
हाँ
क्रिकेट समझ में आती है तुझे?
हाँ हाँ, आती है, इतनी
ओके।
आती
तो नहीं तो अभी
है।
अरेस्ट करवा देंगे। तो उसको उसको लास्ट 5 ओवर्स तो देख ले। यू
ओके
नो
ओके।
उसमें वी वर हैड 8% चांस ऑफ विनिंग।
अच्छा,
8% चांस ऑफ विनिंग।
स्टेटिस्टिशियंस ने लगा दिया। हाँ
92% हम लोग डूबने वाले थे।
हाँ हाँ।
एंड देन एक तू वो कैच देखना, उसमें एक कैच है, तू उसको देखेगा तो तू रोने लगेगा।
अच्छा,
इतना खूबसूरत, इतना अच्छा, इतना अच्छा। बट असल में अ, इतनी मैच तो फिक्स था, एवरीबडी नोज, लाइक
एवरीबडी नोज दैट।
यू स्पेशली यू लिसन टू आवर नेबर्स, वो बताएंगे कि वो मैच फिक्स था।
हाँ
और इतना फिक्स, बुरी तरह फिक्स था कि इंडियंस ने वेदर भी कंट्रोल किया हुआ
हाँ
कि बोले देखो जी ये जिथे जाते उथे वेदर चंगा रहता है, इन्हों सूट करता।
हाँ,
तो
इन्होंने सूट करता है।
so, oh my god, I mean, so the catch,
हाँ
the guy who got out,
हाँ जी।
South African guy, he
हाँ
accepted it. He says,
हाँ
"क्या बात
हाँ
है?"
हाँ
He
हाँ
gives
हाँ
statements later on.
हाँ
South Africa gives statements. Other countries,
हाँ
except for some people who
हाँ।
I would not name, बोलते हैं कि ये तो it was not a catch, ये तो cheating होगी। तो but generally say there is also a 40-minute video of the Prime Minister Modi talking to the. I generally don't watch his stuff, but he meeting the players. And it's very interesting. बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं happily.
लवली
Stuff, it's a
लवली।
yeah.
यू नो, जब आप ये देख रहे थे तो मैं ड्यूटीफुली वाज लुकिंग बैक टू बैक एवरी वीडियो ऑफ मधुबाला।
Oh wow. Okay. So
मधुबाला में बात बताएं कि व्हाट्स मधुबाला चार्म, क्या है ये, क्या व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन विद मधुबाला कि लोग आज भी बात करते हैं।
हाँ देखो, इतना टाइम हो गया, she didn't win any Oscars or anything, and yet people talk about her. There are groups on Facebook devoted to her beauty, her so forth. I think the combination of things, na, ki she was very beautiful and she died young, and so and she was in some remarkable movies like Mughal Azam and all the stuff. So, but there was a screen presence about her.
नो डाउट नो डाउट। सो शुरू करते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद स्टोरी अबाउट हर बिगिनिंग। अताउल्लाह खान had 11 children in Old Delhi. Madhubala Mumtaz Jahan Begum Dhalvi was number 4 of 11 kids.
Okay.
Sole earner was the father, and she did not go to any school, was home educated, religious family in Delhi. And when she was 7, she had that inclination of listening to radio songs and singing and dancing as a young child, and she was pretty, and everybody enjoyed that. And when she was 7, her father got into some altercation with his boss and was fired. Ataullah Khan had to feed 11 children. In those times, this was 1940, and he said, this girl sings well, isko All India radio station pe jaake gana dilwate. And that was a source of income. for them. They were paid, I don't know, few, like 10, 20 rupees, whatever. And that was how the family survived.
Mm.
And then gets a chance that while she's at All India Radio, the general manager of a film studio in Bombay, Bombay Talkies, listens to her and tells the father कि we are making a movie in Bombay. उसमें there is a small role for a girl and she might be suitable. आप Bombay आइए और काम करवाइए. And the desperate father takes her and moves to Bombay, and she stars in a movie called Basant in 1942 as a child star. And what's interesting is that she got 150 rupees for one-time job. And as was the case, after the film was over, there were no more roles. Things became desperate again. And father and the child came back to Delhi, same grind, not being able to survive. And then what turns out in 1941, now, full year later, there is a 44, sorry, Devika Rani. If you have seen the TV show called Jubilee, she was the mega star production head of studio, married to the founder of Bombay Talkies. She says कि हमें एक और मूवी के अंदर एक बच्चा चाहिए. वो जो हमने किया था 3 साल पहले बच्चा, that girl might be okay. Call the father again. Father second times moves. This time says कि make or break, we're gonna stay over here and see whether we can survive. And the movie for which she auditioned was Jwar Bhata. Madhubala at age 11 auditions for Jwar Bhata. And who is the the hero who's debuting for that movie? Dilip Kumar at age of 22. As chance would have it, she did not get the role. Otherwise, that would have been their first performance together as Baby Mumtaz and young Dilip Kumar. Did not happen. But the father stuck around, and Devika Rani liked the girl, and they signed contract, and they had 4 or 5 movies together as Baby Mumtaz over the next 4 years. And 1947 happens, and during that time, one of her movies called Neel Kamal has a semi-hit, and she says the country is going through a lot of crisis. Father decides that they would sign everything. They signed 25 films in 1947.
25 films.
Films, just sign it, just because of economic insecurity. And that's kind of, and most of the movies were forgettable.
Young Madhubala की कोई clip है या वैसे ही
दिखाता हूँ. So we will watch the transformation, 2 clips. One, when she was Baby Mumtaz, and second, when she is 16-year-old in one of these movies.
अब हमारा बच्चों का प्रोग्राम शुरू होता है. लीजिए, सबसे पहले मंजू रानी आपको एक गाना सुनाएंगी. हाँ जी, क्या गाएंगी आप?
तुमको मुबारक हो.
अच्छा, गाइए.
तुमको मुबारक हो, ऊंचे महलिए, हमको है प्यारी हमारी गलियां, हमारी गलियां, हमको है प्यारी हमारी गलियां, हमारी गलियां. कौन समझेगा, किसे समझाऊं दिलाने की बात, ये समझने का फसाना है, न समझाने की बात. दिल आने के ढंग निराले हैं, दिल आने के ढंग, दिल आने के ढंग निराले हैं, दिल आने के ढंग.
There she is. And the movie was Singar, 1949. And in accidents of birth and discovery, she would not have...
Discovery की बात, I mean, you forget that there's so many stories of actors being discovered. कोई shopping कर रही थी Bloomingdale में तो उसको पकड़ लिया, कोई coffee पी रही थी.
Exactly.
Excuse me, कहीं पे देख लिया and all this stuff. But that translates to much success in life. I mean, many people, I think we may have talked about this in the past, many entrepreneurs, if you look at their stories, they were equally talented people doing things Tesla, for example, doing things ahead of their time. The time was not right. They didn't get discovered. Luck has a lot to do with success. Right place, right time, plus talent, plus effort. तो सिर्फ talent and सिर्फ effort नहीं होता. तो हाँ, I'm waiting to be discovered.
हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है, करते रहिए ऐसे से, लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई। तो ये जो है बाकी बात इन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप वेयर आई टीच, दे कॉल इट, दे डोंट कॉल इट लक, दे कॉल इट मार्केट टाइमिंग, कि आपकी मार्केट टाइमिंग ठीक नहीं थी।
हाँ,
यही
ठीक
सब कुछ अगर 2 साल पहले करते हैं, 4 साल बाद करते हैं तो बढ़िया
हाँ,
रहता।
वही,
दैट्स हाउ
yeah,
इट इज।
yeah.
Other thing is, of course, her father played a big role. I mean, had it not been the father who basically was her manager, mentor, like guide, and strict disciplinarian throughout her life, this would not have happened. She was, of course, a child, and the father and parental figures pushing their children positively or negatively into screen careers is a old trope of
हाँ,
Bollywood,
हाँ,
Hollywood.
तो
चलता आ रहा है।
इसकी कहानियां है ना. I mean, how many, you tell us, so many stage, quote unquote, stage mothers वगैरह.
हाँ, like I was looking like Judy Garland, Shirley Temple, ये तो उस जमाने की same era as Madhubala. The same phenomena was happening in Hollywood at that time. कि भाई parents who were relatively poor backgrounds were saying Hollywood खुल रहा है, जैसे Bollywood खुल रहा था. Let's go take a chance with our child, and many of those became very
They
successful.
become bloody तो बोलते हैं ना, the stage mother is
हाँ,
insufferable होता है. I'll tell you a story. So many years ago, we were casting, and so I have a producer in India, in Bombay में. So we arranged to meet a dozen or more actors over 2-3 days. And we decided we were staying in a nice hotel. It's a foyer, है उसका atrium है, and it's a restaurant there. Open space, hundreds of people and all that. And also actors like to be seen, तो उसमें काफी, I won't name, काफी well-known actors वगैरह आए. So we would arrange we had reserved a table in the middle. So my wife was there, my producer was there, I was there, hundreds of people. So different actors would come every 2 hours or something. So हम बैठते थे, we'll have a cup of tea, बात करते थे, because I want to hear them talk, I want to see and all that stuff. So this one woman was recommended, young woman, and she came with her father, which is fine, of course, बेचारी जा रही है. इतना insufferable, इतना intolerable. मैं उससे पूछूं कि कितनी पढ़ाई की है, he answers. तो मैंने कहा इंटरेस्ट क्या है, he answers. तो मैंने कहा ambitions, he answers. और मैंने कहा बेवकूफ, ये उसको बेचारी को. And you could tell from her own expression कि I mean, what can she do? I mean, this guy is, running the whole thing. I mean, तो I mean, I was going to say कि जब फिल्म बनेगी तो आप ही आ जाइए एक्ट्रेस में.
उसकी एक मॉडर्न कहानी बताता हूँ। अभी सिलिकॉन वैली और बे एरिया में भी सुना है मैंने इसके बारे में। आजकल के some kids are so like socially conscious and not equipped of talking in their job interviews that it's not unheard of कि if you're applying for a tech interview तो माँ या बाप आ जाएगा इंटरव्यू के अंदर।
Come on.
So,
Even you're making it up.
no, that incident over here is not made up. I've known people who says कि इंटरव्यूज के अंदर मदर एंड फादर शोड अप कि भाई द चाइल्ड को एंजाइटी है। 21 साल का बच्चा है, एंजाइटी है, तो नौकरी तो वही करेगा कि माँ आके खाना पकाएगी क्लास में। और
So
anyway,
maybe he can bring his dog with him. क्या
yeah,
बोलते हैं उनको, सो जो
service dogs, service dogs.
service dog, support
Anyway,
dog.
let's come back to Madhubala. What's interesting about her launch was, by the way, she was named Madhubala by Devka Rani. Like she went from Baby Mumtaz to Devka Rani. And the clip we just saw, the movie called Shringar 1949, what's interesting is that she had a minor role. The actress who had the major role at that time was a superstar called Suraya. Suraya, who was a singer turned actor. And she was considered absolutely a star and had a fantastic career all the way up to 60s with Devanand and many top actors, etc. And what's interesting is that in this movie, for the first time and the last time, they acted together. And as soon as Madhubala showed up in that movie, the critics said Madhubala beat Suraya Hollow in every sequence, right? And she stores more emotions in a single face than would 1,000 girls. And this movie started the downfall of Suraya, the leading star of the time, and the rise of Madhubala. So this rivalry was interesting. Of course, Suraya is remembered as a fantastic singer slash actress, and she had fantastic fame, wealth, everything. But
The main reason Soraya's career went down was that she insisted that she has to be in the movie if she has to sing. Because they would give her, she would get job offers to sing.
Hmm.
Because she was a very good singer, बड़े बड़े अच्छे गाने, we should maybe someday play something, मिर्जा गालिब के गाने स्पेशली बड़े अच्छे हैं, पुरानी मिर्जा गालिब के, तो ब्लैक एंड वाइट भारत भूषण के साथ. And she would turn down singing jobs.
Yeah.
And there are many people who came to Bollywood to become movie stars.
That's true.
O.P. Nayyar, C. Ramchandra, Mukesh, Talat Mahmood, they were all actors. They came as actors. चली नहीं, फिल्म चली नहीं, या किसी ने कुछ दिया ही नहीं, but they could also sing or compose music. तो हमने कहा ठीक है, switch कर लेते हैं. So that's an option, you and I have now.
Yeah.
अब जिंदगी में फेल हो जाए ना, तो कुछ और म्यूजिक बनाना शुरू कर सकते हैं हम लोग.
तो मेरी एक्टिंग डेज आर ओवर, मैं सिंगिंग कैन स्टार्ट एनी डे.
हाँ, देखो.
So what's interesting is that Suraya, actually, I did not know that Suraya fought with Dilip Kumar, declined Anarkali, declined Mughal Azam.
Kya
and
baat.
Retired in 64 as a recluse, etc. But she definitely had more, my assessment is she had probably more talent, more fame, but immortality was assured only for Madhubala. So let's see. Next movie we have to talk about is her breakout movie, Mahal and Dulari. So Mahal was interesting because Kamal Amrohi made the movie, who went on to make Pakiza later on. And Mahal was a major success for Madhubala because of multiple reasons. It was the first so-called spiritual horror film of India. And then also a breakout film for Lata Mangeshkar, Aayega Aane Wala, of course. And then Khemchand Prakash as a composer, which I discovered, but I'm sure you already know about him. मुझे कुछ खबर नहीं थी. ये Khemchand Prakash कौन है?
It's very well known, Lots of beautiful music.
अच्छा, just सिर्फ मेरी ही गलती है ये.
As usual, no?
As usual, ठीक है. So let's listen to Mahal and Dulari, the two songs.
दिल तुझे कसम है तू हिम्मत न हारना, दिन जिंदगी के जैसे भी गुजरे गुजारना, है दिल तुझे कसम है. उल्फत के रास्ते में मिलेंगे हजार गम, बन जाए जान पर भी तो गम से न हारना, है दिल तुझे कसम है दिल तुझे कसम है दिल तुझे कसम है तू हिम्मत न हारना, दिन जिंदगी के जैसे भी गुजरे गुजारना, है दिल तुझे कसम है. रोने से कम न होंगी, कभी तेरी मुश्किलें, बिगड़े हुए नसीब को हंस कर संवारना, है दिल तुझे कसम है. दीपक बगैर कैसे परवाने जल रहे हैं, दीपक बगैर मुझसे दिल के मेरे इशारे आएगा 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 आने वाला आएगा आएगा भटकी हुई जवानी मंजिल को ढूंढती है भटकी हुई जवानी मंजिल को ढूंढती है माछी बगैर नैया साहिल को ढूंढती है माछी बगैर नैया साहिल को ढूंढती है क्या जाने दिल की कश्ती कब तक लगे किनारे क्या जाने दिल की कश्ती कब तक लगे किनारे लेकिन ये कह रहे हैं दिल के मेरे इशारे आएगा 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 आने वाला आएगा आएगा
You notice lots of people, actors, actresses, look don't look as beautiful when they were young, but look better as they get older.
Acha? What do you
Nahin?
mean?
I mean, I think Madhubala later on looks
Yes.
better than
Yes.
she was in this film. You
Yes,
know,
so
even
true.
though she-
And this is before the time of nose jobs and all that stuff, right? So
yeah.
आजकल तो
Yeah,
आजकल तो cosmetically engineered actors होते हैं, and she wasn't that. And
yeah.
this was beautiful, beautiful. And by the way, after the success of Mahal, Kamal Amrohi, who was at that time married, 31
Mhm.
years old, proposed to Ataullah Khan that he would want to take Madhubala as his second wife. Madhubala was 15 or 16 at that time. And
Kya baat.
thankfully, Ataullah Khan said, कि नहीं, no thanks, pass कर दिया. So, such is, उसकी एक movie आई 1950 में, which is worth talking about, called Haste Aasu, which not many people had heard of. And it was India's first A certificate film. And what's interesting, when I started looking into it, कि why would Madhubala be in an A certificate film?
What is age certificate?
A certificate, adults only, like the
Adult.
typically
Okay.
adults only. And what's interesting is that when you look into it, the only reason it got A certificate was the theme. The theme was that the housewife is thrown out of the house by a drunk man, and she fights back in the courts and otherwise and wins and gets her way back. That
Ye
theme
to-
in 1950 was controversial enough. They said, this is going to cause a lot of social chaos. So
That's
adults-
intolerable, understandable. ये कैसे कर सकती है? It is
But,
very,
uh,
very
and
unindian.
I could not find the movie, but what's interesting is the review she got, which is I wanted to call it, right? In this picture, in addition to her serious and pathetic work, Madhubala shows a rare talent for flirting. It's
Yeah,
not
kya
an easy job to steal scene after scene from two seasoned artists like Gopi and Motilal, but Madhubala does it. So we can already see that she was very spontaneous, and she could do that. And then next movie was her early she was attached to Prem Nath. She did a couple of movies with Prem Nath, and they apparently became had an affair. Once again, father said, Hindu, Muslim, not going to happen. And
So this flirtation thing. So
Anji.
there is a difference between being beautiful and having a screen presence. There this one woman, she came and auditioned for us, a Mexican American woman. देखने में very ordinary, you know. And when talking to my casting agent, he said, कहाँ निकाल के ले आई? She says, just watch. So gave her a screen test and all that, you know, camera लगा के dialogue. Oh my God. on screen she looked so dynamic, so beautiful, apart
Huh.
from beautiful, but there
Huh.
was a presence about her.
Yeah.
There are lots of actors who are so wonderful. And actually, people in real life too, देखने
That's
में
right.
ठीक लगते हैं, but
That's
you
right.
start talking to them, they're full of energy, full of humor, or full of vitality. There is some quality to it, you know, and I think she had that. You know, she was on screen. I mean, she was not a great actress.
She
You
was
know,
competent, above
she was
competent, but she was
also,
not a great actress. That's
yeah,
right.
she was a great actress. You know,
Huh.
जैसे मीना कुमारी या और
Huh.
नूतन
Huh.
या दिलीप
Huh.
कुमार and all the stuff,
Huh.
actors and all.
Huh.
But she had a presence, you know. You can't take your eyes off her. There is something magnetic about her and so forth. You know. So,
बिल्कुल ठीक. Like I discovered Shah Rukh Khan has something
अरे,
similar. नहीं, hear me out. Hear me out. When our daughter was a young child,
Hmm.
when Shah Rukh Khan would come on screen, she would
Mhm.
just stare at him.
Oh my God.
ये देखो क्या presence है. And there was something there, some magic there that
I tell you what this is bad upbringing is what that is. क्या कर रहे हो? I mean,
हो सकता है, हो सकता है.
bad values,
Bad
Sanskriti,
value.
Okay, we'll have to have a special discussion.
Special
आगे
discussion on
चलते
the sidebar.
हैं.
So, what's interesting about this whole certificate 1950 was that in 1930s there was kissing scene with Devika Rani, and a certificate later on was given only to violent films and
Yeah,
all that.
early
But
films देखो,
हाँ,
there's kissing, there's a
हाँ,
lot of nudity वगैरह,
yes,
सब चलता था. It's, you know, because it's like AI, like technical stuff, you know. You start the innovations go
हाँ,
much farther than the society regulations or government regulations. The people are running around कि इसको रेगुलेट कैसे करें, लाइक आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, नई नई चीजें आ रही हैं, किसी को पता ही नहीं है. आई मीन देर वेरी वेरी ओल्ड मैन सिटिंग इन द कांग्रेस, नो वरिंग अबाउट गेटिंग री इलेक्टेड. उनको पता ही नहीं है कि यू शुड वॉच सम ऑफ द हियरिंग्स. इतनी इतनी बेवकूफ़ी के सवाल
अच्छा,
पूछ रहे हैं कि इवन आई कैन टेल कि तो क्या दिमाग खराब है. एंड दे आर नाउ ट्राइंग टू रेगुलेट बिकॉज थिंग्स हैव गॉन आउट ऑफ हैंड, यू नो.
हाँ,
सो फिल्म आई तो किसी को पता नहीं था कि क्या हो रहा है, उनको तो स्टेज का पता था. फिल्मों में तो उन्होंने किसिंग शुरू
exactly,
कर दी, न्यूडिटी शुरू
exactly,
कर दी, नाच गाना शुरू कर दिया एंड ऑल दैट. सब डन. धीरे धीरे सब
right,
धार्मिक लोगों ने कहा कि ये क्या हो गया भाई, बच्चे देखेंगे तो वो
बिगड़ जाएंगे.
किसिंग डिस्कवर कर लेंगे तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. सो देन दे स्टार्ट पुटिंग ऑल काइंड ऑफ सेंस व्हिच only till recently ये करेंगे.
Yeah.
However, I'll tell you something else. This is a theory we have. Not allowing kissing. सुन रहा है?
थ्योरी दे सुनाइए.
Not allowing kissing and too much touching and all that
Mhm.
explicit sexuality resulted in a lot of good music.
अच्छा, ये कहानी मैंने पहली बार सुनी है. Resulted
Because,
in good music.
yeah, because you could not kiss. The matter which a scene could be done in 2 seconds, kissing or showing a sex scenes or a love making
हाँ,
scenes
हाँ,
and all this stuff.
हाँ.
तो कैसे करेंगे? तो फूल दिखाया, उसके झाड़ी के पीछे भागा, गोला, बोलो तुम हंसी हो हम जवां हैं. तो उसने तो the equivalence was done through music and song and dancing. तो so much music because love scene करना था और seduction scene करना था, love making scene करना था, तो उसके लिए music हो गया. And so lots and lots, lots of good. One of the reasons you don't have that many, all the songs today are very different. They're samoor
That's
song,
right.
you know, group
That's right.
song,
That's right. That's right.
everybody just to show off some dancing and all that stuff, you know.
बहुत controversial point of view आपने raise किया है. तो you are attributing success of S.D. Burman, Sahil Ludhianvi, all of these people to no kissing.
Partially, I am saying the success of good music, not their talent. Good that there was a need of having 5 scenes in a 4 or 5 scenes of showing affection, sex, movies, वगैरह. उसके लिए, so they had to write good songs and promote that, which there's no need anymore
That's right.
in the films.
We have some comments. Sanjeev is saying that we should switch to black and white. वो कैसे कर सकते हैं यार? To stay with the mood of black and white. मगर we have some color coming up later. So a good idea. We will one day do a pure black and white when we can do it. Right now we are switching between color.
ठीक है.
Um,
तो
and
बहुत ज्यादा रंगीन लग रहा होगा ना. लोगों को तकलीफ हो गई.
And then we have more commentary from Reena about her underrated comedic timing, which I think is very hard. It's very hard to get good comedic timing. A lot of
Yeah.
actors who are like Ronan Hone wale actor, when they come to comedic timing, wahan phas jate hain, right? Then you realize that that's a different gift altogether. All right.
Prema,
Yes.
say
Yes.
something?
एक chat में है. So
Prema,
let's.
Prema, you going to say something?
Okay. No, I wanted to say just a little bit to what Harish said, that I think music and dance are very integral to entertainment in performance arts in India. I mean, look back 3,000 years ago, like every Kathak dance or Bharatanatyam dance has to have great music. So I don't quite believe in the kissing scene enhancing. I think it is a part of Indian entertainment. That's why in the modern times, when they tried to X out the music, the movies flopped. Okay, like 2 or 3 movies they tried and it flopped. And let me tell you this important thing. In India, when they started MTV, they decided that they will not show Indian film music, and it flopped. So they had to change
That's
their
right.
theory
That's right.
and put Indian film. It is integral to the way our Indian people enjoy and like entertainment with music and
No,
lyrics and the good word.
I think both are true. That would have also, because of the Notanki and going back 3,000 years, song and dance were part of our life. I mean, the very few cultures as prominently feature song and dance in all life events. इंडिया में
Yes.
वो बर्थ पे सॉन्ग एंड डांस, वो सिर्फ बाल कटाए पहली बार तो सॉन्ग एंड डांस शुरू हो जाता है,
Yes, yes.
मरने पे भी सॉन्ग एंड डांस हो जाता
I
है.
know, yes. Band
You
baj
know?
gaya.
Oh man. So it's part of our life, so that would have happened anyhow.
Thank you very much, Premaji. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. In Natya Shastra say we have been learning how to do the acting. So let's now enjoy a movie called Tarana. And the reason that's important is that 1950s they started Madhubala and Dilip Kumar started getting paired together. And once that pairing happened, they did a comedy called Tarana and a movie called Sandil later. And according to many people, Madhubala gave one of the best performances. And I'll leave the comment for after you see the.
मैं जाती
कहाँ जा रही है?
अपने सैया के पास.
सैया के पास जा रही हो अपने?
हाँ जी, सैया के पास जा रही हूँ. 6 घंटे से तो यहाँ बंद हूँ. बेचारा मेरी जान को कोस रहा हो.
ओ, तो मिलना था आज उससे, हाँ?
तुमने तो देखा ही नहीं मेरे सैया को.
मैंने नहीं देखा.
बड़ा नटखट और प्यारा प्यारा है. अगर मैं उससे किसी दिन ना खेलूं या 2-4 बार उसे गले से न लगा लूं तो भूख हड़ताल कर देता है. कुछ खाता ही नहीं.
तुम कैसी लड़की हो जी, सब खुल्लम खुल्ला बातें करती जाती, तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती? ये कोई करने वाली बात है?
इसमें शर्म की कौन सी बात है जी? मुझे अच्छा लगता है. चलो तुम्हें भी अपने सैया से मिला दे.
नहीं, मैं नहीं मिलता उससे.
नहीं, तुम क्यों नहीं मिलते उससे?
मैं नहीं मिलता.
क्यों नहीं मिलते तुम?
अबे वो मुझे तुम्हारे साथ देख के बुरा नहीं मानेगा वो.
जान से मार दूंगी उसे. आओ.
बड़ा रोब गांठ रखा उसमें मालूम होता है.
हाँ, मैंने पहले ही कह दिया था.
क्या कह दिया था?
मैंने कह दिया था
क्या?
कि देखो सैया, मैं तुमसे मीठी मीठी बातें करूंगी, खेलूंगी भी तुमसे, मगर रोब मेरा रहेगा.
मान गया वो.
और करता भी क्या?
उल्लू कहीं का.
देखो जी, तुम मेरे सैया को गाली मत दो.
गुस्सा आ रहा. अगर सामने आता ना तो एक चांटा भी मार देता.
ऐसा बात करो. मेरा सैया बड़ा शर्मीला है, बेगानों से घबराता है.
सुनो, ये छोटी छोटी मुलाकातें होती हैं क्या?
तुमसे क्या चोरी? इधर आओ, अभी बुलाती हूँ. सैया, सुना तुमने? ठहरो. सैया.
ये तुम्हारे सैया की आवाज थी क्या?
कितनी मधुरी आवाज है मेरे सैया की. वो आ क्या?
बात सुन ले, नहीं तो तेरा गला घोट कर आती है।
घोट दो पहले, मेरा मार डालो मुझे।
सुन, तूने आज तक मुझे घड़ी भर चैन नहीं लेने दिया, और अब ये बहुत हो चुका है, समझी? जिंदा है, इधर उधर भटकती फिरती है, और दुनिया भर को ये गुमान दिलाया कि जैसे मर चुकी। ये तो अच्छा हुआ कि मेरा पागलपन मुझे यहाँ ले आया, वरना मैं तो अब तक उस लड़की से शादी भी कर चुका होता।
तुमने उस लड़की से शादी नहीं की?
नहीं तेरा,
झूठ बोलते हो।
सच कहता हूँ।
मेरे बात से छोड़ो।
और देख, ये तुझे जो गाली गलौज की आदत पड़ गई है ना, ये तुझे छोड़ना पड़ेगी। छोड़ेगी ना?
हाँ, छोड़ दो।
में सुलगते हैं अरमान, आँखों में उदासी छाई है, ये आज तेरी दुनिया से हमें तकदीर कहाँ ले आई है, सीने में सुलगते हैं अरमान।
कुछ आँखों में आंसू बाकी है जो मेरे गम के साथी है, जो मेरे गम के साथी है। अब दिल है न दिल के अरमां है, अब दिल है न दिल के अरमां है, बस मैं हूँ मेरी तन्हाई है, सीने में सुलगते हैं अरमां।
What's interesting is the comment made by the critics after this movie was that she seems to have discovered her soul at last in Dilip Kumar's company. The chemistry was already very strong, and they had an affair that lasted 7 years, starting out with these early movies. And they did a movie together in '54 called Amar. But that time, the foreshadowing of her health had already become clear to everybody. She could not complete movies. She had to take breaks, and it was discovered that she had, what is commonly called today hole in the heart, which would have been a pretty, which is a recoverable surgery today that can be done fairly commonly. At that time, there was no cure for it, and the producers and the family decided not to share this with broadly in public. So she would just say health conditions, and she would disappear for a few months and then come back. And the next movie they completed was Amar, which had good songs.
न मिलता हमको बर्बादी के अफसाने कहाँ जाते, अगर दुनिया चमन होती तो वीराने कहाँ जाते। चलो अच्छा हुआ अपनों में कोई वैर तो निकला, आज कोई वैर तो निकला। अगर होते सभी अपने तो बेगाने कहाँ जाते, तो बेगाने कहाँ जाते। जाने वाले से मुलाकात ना होने पाई, दिल की दिल ही
दौलत उसे दे दे। निर्धन भी है, निर्धन भी है इंसान, मोहब्बत उसे दे दे, मोहब्बत उसे दे दे। जिस दर पे सभी एक है, बंदे ये वो दर है। इंसाफ का मंदिर है ये, भगवान का घर है।
The movie was a flop, Amar, but critics hailed her performance as one of the first mature performances. The story goes that in this song "Jaane Wale Se Mulaqat Na Ho Pai," there was a close-up, and director had not asked her to emote the way she did. She ended up having real tears on the screen that were captured. And initially the director said, "ये क्या कर दिया? आप तो रो पड़ी, तो गाना वाना के अंदर हमने तो कहा नहीं था." And then later on in the editing they said, "No, this is better performance, let it be." So it goes to show that she was more in command of her talent and performances by now. So hota hai, sometimes the material is not good, but the beauty still shines through.
Yeah, happens a lot. And it helps if you're beautiful.
Yes, yes, of course. Young people call it the pretty privilege.
Yeah. Well, a famous Catherine Deneuve had a famous quotation that so many doors get opened for me because of my looks. You know.
Yeah.
I remember this woman I knew from England. So she would be, I mean, she had a degree from Oxford and Cambridge, knew French, English, German, so forth and so forth. Was a writer and all that. And she was stunningly beautiful. And she would tell me during, especially after 9/11, that, you know, while everybody gets properly searched and goes through, she, because she's tall, tallish, natural blonde, great figure, big smile on her face, British accent. The security people carry her luggage, utha ke, haan ji, aaiye. He says, I could probably take an atom bomb with me, you know, and it'll be okay. Because, you know, they're all looking at her and ठीक है, चल रहा है.
It applies to men too. Men, taller men, there's a lot of statistics about taller men being more successful.
That is actually true. Taller men have they get better jobs. If you're fairer, taller, you know, you get better jobs, more money, and more fame, and more success in life in general, you know.
तो हरीश जी, आपकी और मेरी हाइट तो 6 फुट से कम है, तो यही फंस गए ना हम.
Yeah, it's the reason my life is a bloody failure, no? So,
और
yeah.
6-8 इंच.
Harish,
You know,
but
I
you-
want to
you
comment
won't
on
be
Harish's
happier.
life. Your life has been very successful. Why do you say your life is a failure, Harish? You've been a hero in Pittsburgh.
Just want to लिख के, I want it in writing. तो लिख
देखो
के
आप
मुझे
सर्टिफिकेट
भेजना।
दीजिए, सर्टिफिकेट दीजिए.
Certificate.
Let's continue. What's interesting about the next stage of her career was that after the flop, Madhubala recovered by doing Mr. and Mrs. 55 with Guru Dutt comedy. It was a big hit. And what's interesting is that she never got a chance to work with Guru Dutt again, although she had a chance. She turned down Pyasa. I did not know that. Right?
Why?
Not clear. Not clear. Right? I think the reason was that she and Nargis were paired in the two women role. And Guru Dutt said ki you will decide between the two of you ki kaun sa role chahiye. And the Nargis and Madhubala could not decide which of the two female roles they could agree, I guess, because of some rivalry or competitive rivalry. But ultimately, Guru Dutt went with Wahida and Mala.
Good
Right.
choice.
No,
Because
of
Mala
course.
Sinha is just wonderful in that movie.
Of course, we recover that. But I'm just saying there are many such occasions where. So let's continue, and we want to talk. Sorry, go ahead, Harish.
I was just going to say, saying what Prema said. Actually, most of the great movies, you can't imagine them without the actors that were there. And if you read the books about making of The Godfather, not one of them was supposed to be for that role. Robert Redford was supposed to be there. Somebody else was supposed to do there. None of the actors were supposed to be in those roles. But you can't imagine Godfather without Al Pacino and Marlon Brando. They were so perfect for those things. But so it's anyway. Chalo.
So next, one of the other major actors of stars of that era was Pradeep Kumar, and they did a few movies together. And one of the movies whose songs were very good, we're going to play, was Raj Hut. Came out in 1956. Not a major hit as a movie, but great songs.
कहने को वो हसीन थे, आंखें थी बेवफा हो, आंखें थी बेवफा। कहने को वो हसीन थे, आंखें थी बेवफा, दामन मेरी नजर से बचा कर चले गए, आए बहार बन के लुभा कर चले गए.
So this was they had a few movies together, Pradeep Kumar, and like many other leading heroes, he proposed to her after the breakup with Dilip Kumar, and it was turned down. By the way, so did Bharat Bhushan. So apparently, every leading actor.
So yeah, ये होता है. You heard about, so you heard of Natasha Kinski?
वो कुछ मॉडल थी,
Yeah,
एक्ट्रेस
model
थी.
थी. She's famous. 70s में था, 80s में था. She had
80s
a
में, हाँ.
major photograph of being naked, being wrapped in a python,
हाँ,
you
हाँ,
know,
हाँ, हाँ,
snake.
famous, हाँ.
She's daughter of Klaus Kinski, you know, who
Filmmaker.
Werner Herzog की films में जो है great actor, passed away, पागल था. तो Natasha Kinski is unbelievably sexy woman. Says in one of her interviews or articles that she made a point to sleep with every director she worked with.
What?
So I was very encouraged when I started making movies. तो हुआ नहीं. I kept wondering कि कब होगा. You know, bloody hell, कभी नहीं हुआ. So, you know, wrong casting, I think. You know.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Wait till, you know, I start getting secret messages. Anyway, तो आगे चले. तो film आई थी नया दौर, 1957. And this was a cataclysmic film for the relationship of Madhubala and Dilip Kumar, because Madhubala was supposed to act in it, and for health reasons and other reasons, she did not act in it. And B.R. Chopra, like, they replaced her with Vijayanti Mala. The Madhubala and father sued B.R. Chopra. A lot of controversy about the movie, etc. And effectively, at the end of it, Dilip Kumar, who testified against Madhubala and her father, that was the final breakup, that event that led to the breakup. And apparently said that as a last point, it was Madhubala had asked Dilip Kumar to apologize when all was said and done to her father. And if he could just save face for the father and apologize, then their relationship continue. And Dilip Kumar said, I'm not going to apologize. And that was kind of the final straw. Who knows all the details, but these were all, speculations from outside.
We should, I just want to mention that there are lots of other songs like Aaye Bahar Banke. Madhubala is not in it. So we had a problem because many of her films, for example, Barsat Ki Raat, unbelievable songs, and she's not in most of them. किसी कवाली में नहीं है, सिर्फ last one में वो आके बेहोश हो जाती है and all that stuff. You know? So like Mahal, जो पहले दिखाई थी, actually the best song from Mahal is by Rajkumari Dubey. घबरा के जो हम सर को टकराएं तो अच्छा. It's an unbelievable classical song, but we couldn't include it. And many other songs are like that and all that. But this one I couldn't resist. You know, Aaye Bahar Banke, one of Rafi's best songs.
Yeah.
Chalo.
That reminds me that we should talk to the audience, live audience, about our change of format we are experimenting for our next Baithak.
कुछ नया शुरू करना चाह रहे हैं. इतनी एडवांस उम्र में नई चीजें मत किया करो.
नहीं करो ना. आदत नहीं है. अब क्या ओखली में सर दिया है.
तो बताओ.
So what we're thinking, our next Baithak is going to be on Madan Mohan, music of Madan Mohan. We're thinking of doing it in 2 parts because according to Harish, 200 गाने हैं. तो 200 गाने तो नहीं सुनाएंगे, और मैंने 5 से ज्यादा गाने सुने नहीं हैं.
200 से ज्यादा गाने हैं. But anyway.
My education is for my educational purposes that he'll be curating it. But the point is, we wanted the audience members to nominate the songs that they really like of Madan Mohan. And particularly, if you have any farmaish daliye, hame bataiye. I'll send an email, reply in the email and say, this is your favorite song. And more than that, if you personally want to talk about that song, have a point of view on the song or the movie or whatever around that song, what it means to you or how you want to say something
like
about
defending your thesis. क्यों किया?
So
कैसे किया?
So Harish and I will make sure that we include that song and allow you to make that defense. Even if you don't want to make the defense, we will definitely play that song.
अब तूने if you chose the songs, वो horrible songs होंगे तो फिर दिखाना पड़ेगा.
उसके लिए एक सेपरेट एपिसोड कर देंगे जो which will just call it the rejected songs by Harish. नाम तो आपका ही आएगा, whichever way. So ठीक है. So let's move on. The next one we're gonna watch now is my favorite setup, right? Madhubala and Ashok Kumar. Ashok Kumar, remember, was a hero in Mahal, and in fact was a major star at that time, and they'd done some movies together. They did 2 movies together, Howrah Bridge and Gateway of India, at the peak, 1958 के अंदर ये movies आई थी, and these movies had some beautiful songs. And what's interesting about, very quick setup, is Howrah Bridge was movie of Shakti Samant, a good producer who made many movies later, and was something that Ataullah Khan, Madhubala's father, didn't want to get it done till he heard the script. And once the script was heard, it was so good that Madhubala did the whole movie for 1 rupee, Sawa Rupiah. Gateway of India was made by Om Prakash, which I did not know. Om Prakash, the actor from Chupke Chupke and later on a lot of movies, he was the director, writer, uski kahani thi. This was, I didn't realize that this was a major film and was a huge success and was shot in one night, a story of one night. And it's a very beautiful, interesting story, and shot around Gateway of India. And that also was a very successful movie of Madhubala. Both of these were big hits. Let's enjoy some songs and then we'll talk about that. आइए मेहरबान, क्या
हाँ, तू
गाना,
बहुत
my
आशिक है उसका।
my favorite picturization of
Yeah.
मधुबाला। हाँ, क्या ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल। क्यों आपको नहीं पसंद?
ठीक है, that's your most favorite because she looks like Marilyn Monroe or something. So that's your most favorite Madhubala song.
Most favorite picturization and song combined, the combination है, especially in video, is a treat.
Who are we now to argue with you?
सही बात है, मेरी भी ग्रैंड थ्योरी है ये। पूछे लोगों से, what do people think, उनके फेवरेट
Yeah.
मधुबाला पिक्चराइजेशन क्या है?
Prema. Yeah, Jashwant.
जश,
Yeah,
बताइए।
you know, I agree with Anurag. I think Harish, this was the best song Asha Bhosle ever sang. Even before she sang these under R.D. Burman. O.P. Nayyar was brilliant. I think he took her to the very far heights, with this song. I don't know how you see it.
Did you watch our O.P. Nayyar
Yes,
episode?
I did. I did. One thing I want to tell you, in O.P. Nayyar's, when I watched, I left. I think when Asha Bhosle came here last time to promote R.D. Burman, I was sitting at the JFK and she was in the lounge, first class, and the girl was interviewing her for her interview, and she was asking question. So I told her, I said, why don't you ask her about O.P. Nayyar? You should see her temperament, Asha Bhosle. She said, I'm not here to talk about O.P. Nayyar. I'm here to talk about R.D. Burman.
Yeah.
And, I made a mistake opening my mouth, but this is a fact. And I think this song is still today evergreen, Harish.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So my most favorite Madhubala song was also from, there are more than one, two of them actually. So number one was also from Gateway of India, but it was cut. And we will talk about it it was music by Madan Mohan. It's one of, as I mentioned last time, one of top 10 or 15 Lata Mangeshkar songs ever. So it was also actually with Om Prakash. We'll talk more about it next time. But the name of the song is Sapne Mein Sajan Se Do Baatein, Ek Yaad Rahi, Ek Bhool Gaye. But the other one, if I had to choose, है वक्त रुखसत गले लगा लो, खताएं भी सब माफ डालो, बिछड़ने वाले का दिल न तोड़ो, जरा मोहब्बत से काम ले लो, तुम्हारी दुनिया से जा रहे हैं, उठो हमारा सलाम ले लो. This is from Mughal Azam.
Wow. Lot
of
choices. So let's anyone else, any other favorites you want to talk about?
I like the Mughal Azam songs too of Madhubala, Mohe Panigat Pe, all those songs are just beautiful.
Yeah.
Indeed. And Naresh is saying, Acha ji main hari kala pani. Wait, that's a perfect cue. So I'm going to now talk about Devanand and Madhubala. They did Kala Pani. Thank you, Naresh, for the cue up. And uske andar, the interesting thing is they also had fantastic chemistry, right? And we're going to watch Kala Pani, which came out in 1958. 58 is when it came out. Let's enjoy that. And of course, S.D. Burman, Majrooh Sultanpuri.
एक ख्याल आता है कि आपसे माफी मांगूं क्योंकि मैंने आपको बेवक्त नींद से उठाया है।
कोई बात नहीं।
लेकिन फिर सोचता हूँ कि माफी तो उस बात के लिए मांगी जाती है जिस पे आदमी को कोई पछतावा हो। और यहाँ तो अगर कोई पछतावा है तो सिर्फ इस बात का कि ये भूल मुझसे पहले क्यों नहीं हो गई।
किसी भूल का आदमी को बड़ा खमियाजा भुगतना पड़ता है।
जो भूल आदमी को अच्छी लगे उसकी सजा भी अच्छी लगती है।
देखती हूँ शायरों का सा लिबास पहनकर तबीयत पे कुछ शायराना होगी।
लिबास का इसमें कोई दखल नहीं, क्योंकि तबीयत में रंगीन तो किसी की सुंदरता देख के आ ही जाती है।
मुझे तो यहाँ कोई खूबसूरती नजर नहीं आती।
इसे आप मेरी निगाहों से देखिए।
कहाँ से आ रहे हैं आप इतनी रात के?
यूं ही शहर की सैर कर रहा था।
सब लोग खाने पर आपका इंतजार कर रहे थे।
हम तो तब मानते जब आपने इंतजार किया होता।
अगर किसी दिन ये भी करके दिखा दें तो
उस रोज हम समझेंगे कि हमारा नसीब खुल गया है। शब बखैर।
दिल वाले हुए, अब तेरी गली तक आ पहुँचे हो दिल वाले।
ओ दिल वाले अब तेरी गली तक आ पहुँचे। ओ दिल वाले अब तेरी गली तक आ पहुँचे। ओ दिल वाले। तारा बने हुए
नहीं जिनके ठिकाने जो है सबसे बेगाने, वही तेरे दीवाने हो, वही दिल वाले, हाय दिल वाले
अब तेरी गली तक आ पहुँचे।
अच्छा जी मैं हारी चलो मान जाओ ना।
देखी सबकी यारी मेरा दिल जलाओ ना।
अच्छा जी मैं हारी चलो मान जाओ ना।
देखी सबकी यारी मेरा दिल जलाओ ना।
कसूर पे ऐसे हो खफा,
रूठे तो हुजूर थे मेरी क्या खता।
छोटे से कसूर पे ऐसे हो खफा,
रूठे तो हुजूर थे मेरी क्या खता।
देखो दिल न तोड़ो,
छोड़ो हाथ छोड़ो।
देखो दिल न तोड़ो,
और छोड़ो हाथ छोड़ो।
छड़ दिया तो हाथ मलोगे समझे,
आज समझे।
अच्छा जी मैं हारी चलूं मान जाओ ना।
देखी सबकी यारी मेरा दिल जलाओ ना।
जीवन के ये रास्ते लंबे हैं सनम,
काटेंगे ये जिंदगी ठोकर खा के हम।
जीवन के ये रास्ते लंबे हैं सनम,
काटेंगे ये जिंदगी ठोकर खा के हम।
जालिम साथ ले ले,
अच्छे हम अकेले।
जालिम साथ ले ले,
अच्छे हम अकेले।
4 कदम भी चल न सकोगे समझे,
हाँ समझे।
अच्छा जी मैं हारी चलूं मान जाओ।
अच्छा जी मैं हारी चलो मान जाओ ना, इस थीम पे बहुत सारे गाने हैं। तो रूठ के तुम दो चल दिए, वो है जरा खफा खफा, अच्छा मैं हारी पिया हुई तेरी जीत रहे, देखो कसम से देखो तुमसा नहीं देखा, कहते हैं तुमसे हाँ, अजी रूठ कर कहाँ जाइएगा, सैया रूठ गए मैं मनाती रही, एंड देन रूठे रूठे पिया मनाए कैसे। तो इंटरेस्टिंग चीज ये है कि ऑल दीज सॉन्ग्स रिटन बाय मेन, क्योंकि ये फैंटेसी गाने हैं, ये फैंटेसी गाने हैं कि रियल लाइफ में कभी देखा है? हैव यू एवर सीन ए वुमन अपोलोजाइजिंग कि अच्छा जी मैं हारे हम मार जाऊंगा? कब देखा है? मैं 50 साल मेरी शादी हो गई, मैं अभी तक इंतजार कर रहा हूँ
हाँ।
कि एक बार बोलेगी कि हाँ
अच्छा
माफ
जी मैं
कर दो।
हारी, सही
अभी
बात
तक नहीं हुआ। उसको मैंने गाना भी सिखा दिया, सुना दिया, वो कुछ नहीं अभी तक। ये सिर्फ इधर दिस फॉल अंडर कैटेगरी ऑफ फैंटेसी सॉन्ग।
fantasy songs.
हाँ
Fantasy songs. That is why men enjoy it and share it with other men. और कोई तो कोई
और
और कोई
कोई
तो
नहीं,
लिखा
वो आदमी मर्दों ने लिखे हैं और सब मर्द बड़े खुश हैं। हाँ, देखो जी क्या कर मधुबाला कह रही है मैं हार गई, सब बैठे हुए हैं कि उसकी बीवी बोलेगी हाँ जी मैं आई एम सॉरी। कभी नहीं
ना
होगा, कभी नहीं होगा।
हरीश
तो
जी
प्रेमा कभी किया है, करना पड़ा कभी?
Never, never.
राजीव कह रहे हैं ये ख्याली पुलाव है, बिल्कुल सही। एंड बट रीना इज सेइंग लेट देम ड्रीम, ठीक है, लाइक
I agree.
यही बात है, यही बात है।
So काला पानी में the other songs which are not on, lots of beautiful
Beautiful
songs not on Madhubala, Nalini Jayant पे है, you know, नजर लागी राजा तेरे बंगले पर, and one of the best if not in some people's the best Rafi song, हम बेखुदी में तुमको पुकारे चले गए, is from Kala Pani. Unfortunately
कभी
Madhubala
हम
is not
रफी पे
there.
करेंगे प्रोग्राम, तो दैट इज वन ऑफ द टॉप रफी सॉन्ग्स।
And there is a very rare song which nobody remembers from Kala Pani. बताएं कुछ line?
बता दो, इतना रेयर है।
तो सुन, जब नामे किसी को याद नहीं होगा,
हाँ।
जसवंत को होगा, वो पागल है।
हाँ।
जब नामे मोहब्बत लेके किसी नादान ने दामन फैलाया, सुन, जब नामे मोहब्बत लेके किसी नादान ने दामन फैलाया, पहलू में अजब सा दर्द उठा, पलकों पे एक आंसू थर आया, दिल बैठे बैठे भर आया, क्या कहिए हमें क्या याद आया। सुना है कभी? याद नहीं है ना?
नो, दिस मजरू सुल्तानपुरी के लिरिक्स हैं।
या काला पानी में है।
ब्यूटीफुल, ब्यूटीफुल।
दुनिया से न रख उसमें बहुत लाइनें हैं, एक दो और सुना देते हैं। दुनिया से न रख उम्मीद वफा, जब यूं ही किसी ने समझाया, दुनिया से न रख उम्मीद वफा, जब यूं ही किसी ने समझाया, कुछ और बढ़े सीने की जलन, कुछ और बढ़ा गम का साया, रह रह के हमें रोना आया, क्या कहिए हमें क्या याद आया। Anyway, छोड़ो।
Beautiful,
So,
beautiful.
Sorry we couldn't play all those because the Madhubala is not in it.
Yeah. So let's move to Kishore Kumar. In 1958, Kishore Kumar and Madhubala came in Chalti Ka Naam Gaadi. And let's listen to some clips of Chalti Ka Naam Gaadi. Fun movie, huge hit. And it set off the relationship of Kishore Kumar and Madhubala.
एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी, सोती रातों में जागी सी, मिली एक अजनबी से, कोई आगे न पीछे, तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है। दिल ही दिल में जली जाती है, बिगड़ी बिगड़ी चली आती है, दिल ही दिल में जली जाती है, बिगड़ी बिगड़ी चली आती है, झुंझलाती हुई बल खाती हुई, सावन की सूनी रात में मिली एक अजनबी से, कोई आगे न पीछे, तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है। एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी, सोती रातों में जागी सी, मिली एक अजनबी से, कोई आगे न पीछे, तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है। क्या ख्याल है आपका?
है तुम तो मचल गए हो,
यूं ही फिसल गए आ। पगली पगली, कभी तूने सोचा रास्ते में गए मिल क्यों?
पगले पगले, तेरी बातों में धड़कता है दिल।
आहा पगली पगली, कभी तूने सोचा रास्ते में गए मिल क्यों?
पगले पगले,
कभी कुछ कहती है कभी कुछ कहती है, जरा नजर को संभालना।
हाल कैसा है जनाब का,
हाय हाय क्या ख्याल है आपका।
तुम चल गए ओ,
यूं ही फिसल गए आ उड़ड़े डी उड़ड़े डी उड़ड़े।
कहो जी रोज तेरे संग यूं ही दिल बहलाए क्या।
सुनो जी समझ सको तो खुद समझो बताए क्या।
कहो जी कहो जी रोज तेरे संग यूं ही दिल बहलाए क्या।
सुनो जी आहा सुनो जी समझ सको तो खुद समझो बताए क्या।
कभी कुछ कहती है कभी कुछ कहती है, जरा नजर को संभालना।
हाय हाल कैसा है जनाब का।
Kishore Kumar, of course, married Madhubala in a court ceremony in 1960. And right thereafter, I think her condition worsened and they went to London. And at that time, in 1960, when she was 27 years old, she was given 2 years to live by the doctors in London because of her condition. So that's kind of, and 1960 was a phenomenal year for her. I mean, this was the peak. One of the movies we should talk about is Songs of Insan Jaag Utha, right? It was a reasonably hit movie with great songs.
जानू जानू रे काहे खन के है तोरा कंगना, जानू जानू रे काहे खन के है तोरा कंगना। मैं भी जानू रे छुप के कौन आया तोर अंगना, अरे जानू रे छुप के कौन आया तोर अंगना। मैं भी जानू रे पीपल की छैया तले बत्तियां बना के, पीपल की छैया तले, पीपल की छैया तले बत्तियां बना के, भोले भोले दिल को ले गया उड़ाई के सखी। जानू रे झूमे है काहे तोरा झुमका, सखी जानू रे झूमे है काहे तोरा झुमका। मैं भी जानू रे छुप के कौन आया तोर अंगना, जानू जानू रे काहे खन के है तोरा कंगना। मैं भी जानू रे छुप के कौन आया तोर अंगना। तू न कहे किसी से मैं भी ना कहूँगी, मैं भी ना कहूँगी। अच्छा तू बनेगा तू उनकी, मैं उनकी रहूँगी, उनकी रहूँगी, मैं उनकी रहूँगी, उनकी रहूँगी। कोई क्या करे बजे जब पाँव की, कोई क्या करे बजे जब पाँव की पायलिया, कोई क्या करे बजे जब पाँव की।
खट तारो चांद सा मुखड़ा क्यों शर्माया, चांद सा मुखड़ा क्यों शर्माया।
आँख मिली और दिल घबराया,
चांद सा मुखड़ा क्यों शर्माया।
आँख मिली और दिल घबराया।
चांद सा मुखड़ा क्यों शर्माया। चंचल नैना एक झलकी दिखला के, अरे झुक गए चंचल नैना एक झलकी दिखला के। बोलो गोरी क्या रखा है पलकों में छुपा के।
तुझको रे सांवरिया तुझसे ही चुरा के, तुझको रे सांवरिया तुझसे ही चुरा के। नैनों में सजाया मैंने कजरा बना के।
नींद चुराई तूने दिल भी चुराया, चांद सा मुखड़ा क्यों शर्माया।
आँख मिली और दिल घबराया।
What are your take on Barsat Ki Raat?
One of the classic movies. Every once in a while I get depressed, so I start listening to Qawwalis, and that picks me up just to watch the Qawwali, especially Natakar Maa Ki Talash Hai and all that. At 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm listening to Natakar Maa Ki Talash Hai. But none of her films were great. There is no Devdas and there is no Kagaz Ki Phool and all this stuff. Except maybe Mughal Azam, Barsat Ki Raat, they were very entertaining. But none of them were, I would put in the top 10, 15, 20 movies and all that. However, she had a presence. She was beautiful. She was charming. You can't take your eyes off her. The smile is beautiful, it's infectious, तो उसको देखते रहते हैं।
बरसात की एक रात के गाने सुनते हैं, then we'll move forward.
आयो रे लायो रे रंग में हमरे बिछड़े बलमुआ। सखी का करूँ हाय गरजन बरसत सावन आयो लायो ना संग में हमरे बिछड़े बलमुआ। सखी का करूँ हाय रे हाय।
हाय वो रेशमी जुल्फों से बरसता पानी। हाय वो रेशमी जुल्फों से बरसता पानी। फूल से गालों पे रुकने को तरसता पानी। दिल में तूफान उठाते हुए, दिल में तूफान उठाते हुए जज्बात की रात जिन भर नहीं भूलेगी वो बरसात की रात जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलेगी। अजनबी सी हो मगर गैर नहीं लगती हो। वहम से भी जो हो नाजुक वो यकीन लगती हो। हाय ये फूल सा चेहरा ये घनेरी जुल्फें, मेरे शेरों से भी तुम मुझको हंसी लगती हो। मैंने शायद तुम्हें
जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलेगी वो बरसात की रात। एक अनजान मुसाफिर से मुलाकात की रात जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलेगी।
से ना हो, बहके से ख्यालात से मायूस ना हो, खत्म होगी ना कभी तेरे मेरे, खत्म होगी न कभी तेरे मेरे साथ की रात जिंदगी भर।
Wow.
Too bad other songs were not filmed on her. And there, of course, if we keep playing Barsat Ki Raat song, to ab raat ho jayegi.
Ah.
Too much is there.
So I was one of the things that struck me as preparing for Madhubala while you were watching cricket is there is no interview available of her, video interview or audio interview.
But she
where
died young, यार उस जमाने में कहाँ होते थे interview, you know, when she died, 60s?
69, yeah. But
So
yeah,
hardly we
that's
didn't
right.
have we didn't have TV in India at that
That's
time.
true. That's true.
Yeah.
So yes, controlling Papa and all. But what's interesting is I think this whole idea of private life versus public persona. So she gave no interview. There's no recorded video of behind the scene Madhubala talking about her life or growing up or anything. So in fact, the best you can find is a very stale transcript of an interview she gave, and the transcript is also very weak. Is it better to have fame and private life, or have fame with all the with every moment of your private life exposed there?
I think most people would agree it's better to be private and be mysterious and let people project, whatever they want onto you rather than expose every scandal. जैसे अमेरिका में होता है कि हर scandal जिंदगी भर का बता देंगे, टीवी पे जाके बता देंगे.
In that regard, she was very different from Marilyn Monroe, who people tend to compare with, right? Because Marilyn Monroe had a very public persona and a lot of very public life, from photos to interviews, etc. Let's talk about. Sorry, go ahead.
आगे चलें.
Let's talk about a crowning jewel of her career, which was Mughal-e-Azam, right? This came out in 1960. We've talked about this in one of the previous episodes where we talked about 4 stars. What's interesting is that she was already not feeling very well when this happened. There was a lot of conflict already with Dilip Kumar at that time because of their history. So as off-screen goes, this wasn't a movie that was going to showcase her best work. But despite all of that, this was a magical movie for her. Highest grossing film, award-winning, and even now with color renditions, etc. Beautiful, beautiful movie. The tragedy of, let's listen to some music and then we'll close It is said that Zulfikar Ali Bhutto would visit her on Mughal-e-Azam sets.
Achha.
And he was in love with her.
Of course.
I don't know whether he proposed to her or not, like everybody else. But that's kind of the story that's been recorded.
I heard he did. I heard
Achha.
he made some overtures, and he was going to. I forgot that he wanted to sit next to her, and then immediately made an offer कि आजाओ शादी पाकिस्तान में तुमको शादी करा दें. She got up and left or something. That's what I read somewhere, you know.
That is so
Why
true.
not? Why not?
So,
People like you and me don't know these things, but women go through this shit all the time. You know, कहाँ भी हो वो एयरपोर्ट में चल रही हो तो कोई आके प्रपोज कर देता है, you know. तो तेरे साथ नहीं होगा, तेरे साथ हो जाएगा, मेरे साथ तो नहीं होता.
so
चलो
what's
आगे.
the irony of this movie's hit was the following. She herself said that, according to some records, that she reached the peak of her fame at 27 when Mughal Azam was released in 1960. And at that time, she had already been told that, you know, it's you have very little time left. And the irony, she said, was that when the fame found me, I didn't have much more to give. I was done. And after 1960, she did a few more movies, aisi baat nahi hai, but she started, you know, declining projects, etc. You know, she declined Jahan Ara, Bombay Ka Babu with, later on, these movies were successful movies made with, you know, Mala Sena and Suchitra Sen, etc., etc. But she knew that, you know, she was done in a certain way. And
So
she passed away 9 years later.
Before we go further, I wanted to, sorry for interrupting, I wanted to mention again a small incident about Mughal Azam. So Mughal Azam colorized hui, much against wishes of people like me, and very badly colored. ठीक है. तो Calcutta में, I was visiting Calcutta from US and सुना कि Mughal Azam, you know, color release hui. तो ठीक है, जा गए. So here we are, you know, 30, 40 years later, you know, house full. हम लोग बैठे हुए ऊपर, you know, dress circle जो भी होता है and all that. Film शुरू हुई, and as soon as the first song came on, everybody started singing. The whole hall started singing. People of different generations, you know, हमारे तो थे ही, you know, we're looking around. मैं public में ऐसे थोड़ी गाता हूँ, but everybody was singing. हमने भी गाना शुरू कर दिया. Everybody knew all the words of all the songs. You know, प्यार किया तो डरना क्या जो है ये सबको. It was, so you don't realize that how much of a phenomenon it had become part of the culture. You know, a lot of people have been listening to this for years. Okay, आगे चलो.
That's that we are wrapping up here, because I think the question is that is it better to burn candles at both ends and burn bright?
And shine briefly, and this is eternal philosophical debate. You know, shine briefly and, you know, light the world on fire and then go away, like Steve Jobs. You know, so many other people. Although so many jerks keep on living.
There is no.
So sad. I think if she had lived longer, she would have given her best yet.
Yes.
That's my feeling.
I think she would have found better directors to with better roles, with, you know, with more depth and all that. Because her face was very expressive. She had natural beauty and presence, and I think she would have probably given some memorable performances and all that.
Yeah. So, in closing, my assessment of her magic is that, you know, her public persona was an enigma. That was a good part of the mystery of why she was, and her screen presence was ethereal, right? Beautiful smile, coquettish charm, and almost unattainable, ethereal girl. And therefore, I think every generation finds Madhubala and reinterprets Madhubala. And I think her real power lies in the fact that man and woman doesn't matter. Everybody is capable of falling in love with her. And that, I think, is my takeaway from you know, spending so many hours looking at her work and her beautiful face.
Very good. Very nice.
Yeah.
You know, one comment I would like to make, Harish and Anurag, you know, despite of her fame and the beauty, her love life was sad, if you think about it. And the end was also pretty sad, if you think. And, you know, we can compare with the other famous actors like Meena Kumari and Nalini Jayawant and all. They also met the same end.
It seems to be inherent in with
Film
being
industry?
very beautiful and desirable and famous. There was an article I was reading about this guy. Somebody wrote why often beautiful women don't find perfect husbands. Because so many their own assessment है कि इतनी हम इतने बड़े हैं, they get so many offers from so many people, and other many men are देख के अरे कौन ये मुसीबत सिर पे लेगा, with everywhere she goes 100 people are asking for pictures, autograph, ये है पीछे, you'll be jealous. If you're a jealous type, रात को नींद नहीं आएगी. So it's better to settle for somebody who cares for you than have a superstar. I mean, I can understand that. So, I think this is why my wife married me, कि चलो
आप superstar नहीं थे.
स्टैंडर्ड कम कर लेते हैं तो चलो ठीक रहेगा, so
yeah, I think also Reena brings up a good point. That these were hard times for Hindi film actresses. Today, if you look at contemporary modern film actresses, they have like Deepika Padukone. They have success and family and scale at which they can operate is different. But anyway, we're going to leave you
Prema going to say something.
Hanji.
Yes, I was going to say Harish took the words. I'd rather be plain and loved than to be so beautiful and then be so unhappy. I think it's because people manipulate people who are very beautiful for their own ends. It can be fathers, it can be brothers. Oftentimes they are, this story, as Anurag just said, is repeated over and over again. Very beautiful woman, because so many people take advantage of who and what they are.
Yeah, absolutely.
So,
just the last question to both of you. You think in our lifetime, will we see another Madhubala in Bollywood?
Who knows?
Tough question.
Who knows? Maybe you should discover, Harish.
Yeah.
Somebody will come with her father, and answer all my questions, So, okay.
So we have overstayed our welcome today. So thank you for joining us as always. And we're going to leave you with a few clips. These are short 30-second clips of the best of Madhubala's magic. So enjoy those, and we will see you.
Thank you, Anurag. Thank you, Harish.
Madan Mohan ka sochna shuru karo. You'll get an email from Anurag very soon. Yeah.
That's right. Okay.
All right.
Here we go.